Hey all, welcome to my YouTube class. I'm Manjeet Rawat, your online instructor. Guys, recently I added one playlist on our YouTube channel based on how to become system administrator. Right, in case of system administrator, you know that multiple technologies are required, multiple skills are required. If you are preparing yourself for the system administrator, senior system administrator, so you should know about how we can manage the basic desktop related issues, right? The most common technologies that we need to know in case of system administrator, first one is desktop troubleshooting. Second, you must need to know about the active directory management, DSCP, FSMO role, how to transfer the FSMO role, and domain replication. Apart from the domain replication, you also need to know about at least mailing management, right? With the help of Microsoft 365 portal, how we can manage the email services, so you should know. This is complete package. This is the kind of package. This is not a simple playlist, because in this playlist or package I am going to guide you about all the technologies. Like firstly, we need to cover the part of desktop troubleshooting. Once we complete the all content of desktop, we'll move ourselves to the Wintel or Active Directory, and after Wintel and Active Directory, we'll try to understand about the mail management with the help of Microsoft 365 portal. All right. So this is 6th class and we are still on page of desktop troubleshooting. In previous class we talked about the RAID. So I'm moving ourselves to the another important topic of desktop troubleshooting. So let me share my screen to guide you about what are the points we are going to cover in this class. So the agenda of this particular class, I'm going to guide you about most common issues related to the desktop, right? Because as a system administrator, it's our responsibility. We need to know about how to resolve the basic issues of desktop, laptop and workstation. So in this class, I'm going to guide you, or I'm going to share the information about 3 most common issues that we are facing on daily basis. So first problem of any computer or desktop, you know that slow performance. Means if any system running slow, although you provided a high configuration of RAM and processor, but your system is still slow. So what are the cause of slow performance? Second, how we can resolve this issue? We must need to know about the steps to resolve the problem of slow system performance. Number second, BSOD. This is most common problem of our desktop based on Windows operating system, right? So we'll talk about the main cause of slow performance, and we'll also try to resolve the problem. The last one is related to no internet access, right? So in this class, we are going to cover all the points step by step. We'll try to understand about and we'll try to resolve the problem of system slow performance, BSOD, and how we can resolve the problem of no internet access. Let's start from the system slow performance. So what are the points that we need to cover? The main cause of system slow performance, low disk space. It means that you are responsible to resolve the problem of low disk space. I'm talking about the disk space in our operating system file. Next, unwanted application installed in our machine. Unwanted application installed. Number third, maybe virus or bad sector in hard drive. Maybe virus or bad sector in our hard drive. Next, multiple applications are available in startup. So this is another cause of our system slow performance. Our responsibility, we should know about the procedure, how to resolve how to make a space in our C drive, how to resolve the problem of low disk space in our computer. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the RDP of our Windows machine, because we are responsible to resolve these problems for Windows based machines. So let me take the RDP and give you some steps. Those steps can help you to make some space in our operating system drive. So guys, this is Windows 11 operating system. I'm going to check 52.7 GB space available in C drive in our operating system drive. So it means that we have enough space, but If you don't have enough space in C drive, then first of all you need to make some space in our operating system drive to enhance the performance of our computer. So, what are the steps we required to enhance to remove the unwanted data from C drive? First of all, you just need to open run and type temp. Once you press the temp command, it will redirect you on the page of temporary file. And guys, the entire temporary file based on Windows, because we executed only temp, we are able to execute two different commands. One is temp and another is related to temp percentage temp, right? Percentage temp, this is related to the core current user temporary file. This is all the temporary file of dedicated user, the current user that you are using. I am going to select all and let me check the capacity 7 MB, because recently I deleted all the temporary file. But in this case, I am going to select all and delete temporary file of current user and delete temporary file of that generated by system. So, it is mandatory to delete all the temporary file from our machine. That will help you to increase some space in our operating system. Second, prefetch command. So, basically the prefetch command contain the temporary file or cache file of our application, those applications we are using on frequently basis. I am going to select and delete all the files, all the temporary file who responsible to manage the application. Alright guys, I hope you understand temp, percentage and prefetch. These three different options can help us to make some space in case of our in our operating system drive. Next, another important part, open C drive and type software distribution folder. This is really important. You need to open software distribution folder. The location of software distribution folder is available in C, Windows, and you can search it. Under the software distribution folder, we are able to find multiple folders are available in download. You just need to select and delete all the data, because these all are the KB article that system already installed with your operating system. So, you need to remove it. So, this is another step. Step 1, temp, percentage temp, and then prefetch and software distribution. These 4 different steps required to clean the space in our operating system drive. Another command you need to execute, clean mgr, right? It's a disk cleanup, also considered as a disk cleanup. I'm just going to open disk cleanup, select all the folders and click OK and delete all the files which are available in this particular wizard. That will help us to enhance the speed, increase the space in our operating system drive. And if you have enough space in our operating system drive, then definitely we are able to utilize our operating system. Your system will run like the perform like just properly. Second important part, you need to identify open control panel, right? And in the control panel, go to the program and features. We just need to open programs and features. Multiple applications are available. If you feel like the application that available in our Windows machine or in our computer, we are not using these applications. So, you just need to select application and uninstall it, because each and every applications are consuming some space from our operating system drive. So, it is mandatory you need to remove the application that you are not using nowadays. Next, this is another part, and one more option just wanted to add in case of system slow performance. Open C drive, open CMD, and let me check how many bad sectors are available. CHK and DSK. This is the step that you need to use, CHK, DSK. This command can help us to identify the bad sectors in our hard drive. And our responsibility, because we don't have option to remove bad sector, but yes, we have option to fix the bad sector. How we can fix it? We need to execute a basic command, and with the help of basic command, we are able to fix it. It is trying to check the bad sectors. If any bad sectors are available in our hard drive, it will give you the complete information. okay, 0 bad sector, 0 KB of bad sector in my hard drive, because my system is running properly. I don't have issues like related to the slow performance. So if you are getting any number in this particular part like in bad sector, so definitely you need to execute the command sfc space scan now, right? This is the command that will help us to fix the bad sector. Once you execute this command sfc scan now, it will take time because it will check the all bad sector and try to fix on their place, and after that you have to restart your computer and try to access it again with the help of our AD user or local active directory user. Alright guys, so these all steps we can use in case of system slow performance, means to resolve the issues related to system slow performance. I am moving ourselves to the another important part related to the blue screen of death. So you should know about the cause of blue screen of death. So in case of cause of blue screen of death, multiple cause like recent changes in hardware. Like recently you made any changes related to the hardware like as a RAM or hard drive or maybe CPU, right? If you did any changes with your existing computer, maybe BSOD come into the picture. Second, latest update, due to latest update of our operating system. If any file, any program file, any service that you updated in our operating system, definitely it will create a problem related, maybe not definitely, maybe it will create the problem related to the blue screen of death, right? The another important part, bad sector. Yes, bad sector is also cause. If any bad sector available in our hard drive, then definitely it is the cause of blue screen of death. And the last one you also need to know about, check antivirus is working properly or not, because due to region of virus or any kind of spam available in our hard drive, so it may be create a problem related to the BSOD. So what are the steps required in case of if you are getting a BSOD? So what are the points that we need to use to resolve the problem of BSOD? The first and really important part, you have to open run and type msconfig. Boot your machine with the help of safe mode, and you always proceed with safe mode with networking. You need to select safe mode, click network and apply OK. Once you click on the apply and OK, your system will restart and try to log in your machine with the help of administrator in safe mode. If any problem occurred from the third party software or driver, so if the cause of BSOD means any third party software or applications are cause of BSOD, then in safe mode we are able to access our machine normally, means without the BSOD. This is the first step. Second step, you need to discuss with your client, did you make any changes with your hardware? Discuss with client what are the changes in our operating system, any kind of update you installed recently. So you need to discuss, and according to that you need to work with work to resolve the problem, right? So these all are the steps required. Next, another important part, if you are not able to resolve the problem related to the BSOD, then you should proceed and reinstall your operating system. The last and really important part, no internet access, right? Multiple machines are available in the environment, n number of machines are available in the environment, and unfortunately one of the computer or desktop not able to access internet, no internet access. In case of no internet access, how we can start our troubleshooting? Very first step, you should open machine with the help of local administrator, open cmd and type ipconfig. With the help of ipconfig, you are able to find the current IP address, private IP address of your machine. If the IP address is started from 250 169.254.10.25. This is the kind of a APIPA IP address, right? If your machine contain the APIPA IP address, it means that you have to resolve the problem, means your DSIP server is not able to assign the IP address to your machine. That is why you are not able to access internet. To troubleshoot this particular problem, what you need to do, check the communication. If the machine is connected with the help of wire, with the help of cable, so you should check and replace the cable and try to check it again, ipconfig again, and try to access internet. Resolve the problem related to the networking, check cable. If still after changing the cable still you are getting the same IP address based on APIPA, then please proceed and configure manual IP address, including with the IP address of preferred DNS, alternate DNS and gateway. These all are the mandatory parts that you need to provide, and after that we'll try to access our internet in the same computer. Right guys, so these, and also still you are not getting the internet, then you can check the APIPA IP address 172.16, 127.0.0.1. If you are able to get the reply, it means that our NIC card is working properly. And the last option, you also need to check and update the driver of your Ethernet and try to reinstall your driver and check the communication of internet. So guys, these all are the points that we need to know in case of resolving the problem related to BSOD, system slow performance and no internet access. I hope you guys are okay with the points that we discussed so far. Please do subscribe here on Teach Me Cloud YouTube channel. We'll connect soon in next session and discuss more about desktop related issues. Take care guys. Bye bye.